guys, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, welcome back to Vlogmas. What is day 9? I think. I'm not quite sure. Yes, so I'm finally pull up my ear. Finished like after 12 last night. It should be early this morning, like, right? Yeah, after 12. So yeah, finally out, which I'm glad. Yep. Look at my eye. I look sleepy and tired because I am. Never got my bed till this morning, like after 4. Yep. So just finished work about 20 minutes ago. Have to get up and work. Finish to that. Yep. And then come in, eat something. Set on my breadfruit. Yes, my roast breadfruit, because I gonna eat that with some saltfish and some sausages. Why you following me? What you follow me and laugh up in my far? Girl, what you want? What you like seriously? I'm head shall laugh off her. I just know I'm here shall laugh off her. But make she go and laugh. Yes. Me turn my breadfruit, yeah. Not even get something and hold it and steady it. And I guess I should have the phone in my hand. Yes guys, so I just set on the breadfruit for roast. So you know I be having that with some saltfish and oh man, what I go start the breadfruit. I just gonna continue when I leave off with Vlogmas. I'm not even gonna try to make up for the couple of days that I miss. And then I'm just gonna continue. What is it? No. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue there. Sun out, sun bright. Yep.
It's a beautiful day for Auntie to go and take a walk.
Take a walk. I'm tired. I want to film some reaction video and edit. That's what I want to do. Yep, no walking for me. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna walk my walk. I go for the sweet sub tree. Yes, guys, let me say me just a continue with Vlogmas. Nah, fret about the days that I miss. Oh wow, there's one up in there, but I don't know if it ripe. Tati, you think that ripe? Yes, no. Guys, I'm inside of the sweet sub tree. Like, seriously. The one up your stuff. Feel it, Nugget. See, tell me, jar it down.
I can't reach, remember?
See, what? Alright, hold the phone. Video. Oh, it's not right for true, but it kind of. Why are you talking about me? Oh, yes.
You love them?
Yes, I found a big nice one. Oh, guys, yes. I found a big nice one. What I want. I want to eat that tree now. How woolly panda ya? All of them right. Oh my God.
Like,
Oh, this.
that little. That one, the little.
Watch ya. And it even start say, watch ya. I try a long time in a walk, come here, cleaner guys. Trust me, hold on, yeah. Try a long time in a walk, come on. Watch them, they are spoiled. I can't believe.
Guys, because she love the house. You love inside.
Nice one, yeah. But it not show. What it could have been,
Yeah.
It not show. But this big and nice. But this, don't turn it like that. This one green, but look how it big.
By ripe, it big. Auntie, she say if you never love the horse. If you never love the horse.
That one a big, ripe and boss. Oh my God, watch there. What this?
My hand full.
So, go put on them there and come back. Come and eat all of them seeds up here. Girl, them there waste. Watch all that one here dry up. And a sour sap, a sweet sap, but make juice. Nah, you know, Jesus, I can't believe. Look here. How much of them dry up and rotten? Because I'm there and I come at the tree. Oh my God, I'm vexed with myself. I'm vexed with myself, guys. Can't be. I love sweet sap, you know? I love sweet sap.
You just need to come out of the house more.
I'm telling you. I can't believe there's so much sweet up there on the tree now. I can't believe, like, seriously. There's so much there on there. And so much waste because them just there because now come down here. Like, I'm vexing myself. Look how much of them dry up. And what you throw on the side about them now, them green. I vex with myself, like, I vex with myself because I love sweet stuff so much. Yeah, I shot laugh. Come on, man. Yeah, wait, but I want them to pick that one and put it right.
I don't know.
Not yet.
Christmas.
Stop it. Yeah, I don't know.
Me?
Okay.
Yeah, mira.
Bueno.
Auntie Shamu, go dance.
I've just up them down there with my vex to see. We wash the same time and eat it. Love it, you know. But weird. I remember some have the breadfruit on the me hooked ya. I just smell it now.
Go and look at the breadfruit before it burn up.
Get that right. Look on the breadfruit before it burn up, guys. I wouldn't want that to happen. Trust me. No, no want that happen at all. And my mind said pan this breadfruit here. Okay.
Are you would I eat it?
What's it burn up?
Yeah.
You don't have to eat. Friday?
Yeah. In favor for a big pretty one and some fruits under your tree for you.
Oh, okay. That's good.
What kind of fruits will tell him say you want?
All kind of fruit.
Every fruit?
Yeah.
Alright. Which one you want the no first in?
Why may I put the bag over it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know.
they're not doing it. Nah, you go do it.
Yeah, I did.
You do it and also you do it. Then don't tell me say no so. Then don't tell me say. Then don't tell me say no so. Okay, you love you. Alright, go then. Then don't tell me something not do it good.
I think I'm not that.
this is the end of the video. I'm going to eat my din din. Yes, roast breadfruit, saltfish, and sachets. Yes, some fry some and I keep some roast. Yes, that's how I like it. Can't wait for the eat, man. You know. Yes, guys, so I'm see you tomorrow in the next Vlogmas video. Alright, I am out.